Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you the best location to catch Gumball Whale in Fish It game on Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already joined the game and sometimes you will need to catch the Gumball Whale to complete the classic event quest. When you click on this quest, sometimes you will find a mission or a quest to catch Gumball Whale. But now I don't have that mission, but I'm going to show you guys how you can catch the Gumball Whale. First of all, you need to teleport to the classic island. Okay, you can use the portal or you can use your boat to go to the classic island. And then I'm going to show you the best spot to catch the Gumball Whale. Okay, you just need to follow me guys right here. And this is one of the rare fishes and it's not that hard to catch. Okay, this is the best spot guys. I got my first Gumball Whale here, and if you already have level 200, you can go to the Iron Cavern. You can also get the Gumball Whale right there, but if you don't have level 200, just fish on this spot I have shown you. Okay, to go to the Iron Cavern, you can follow this ladder right here. Okay, and yeah, this is the Iron Cavern, and you can also catch the Gumball Whale in the Iron Cavern. Okay. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch the Gumball Whale in the Fish It game on Roblox latest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!